Dear students, very good morning to everybody. Hope you are hale and healthy. Today's our offline class is about prevention and control of drug oblique alcohol abuse. We know this proverb, prevention is better than cure. Tobacco, drug, alcohol abuse are more during adolescent age. Thus, remedial measures should be taken well in time. In this regard, parents and teachers have a key role and responsibility. The following measures would be particularly useful for prevention and control of alcohol and drug abuse in adolescents. Number one, preventive measure is avoid pressure. Every child or every adolescent has his her own choice and personality, which should be kept in mind. So, a child or adolescent should not be pressurized unduly to achieve beyond his her capacities, be it in studies, supports, etc. Number second, preventive measure is education and counseling. Education and counseling are very important to face problems, stresses, disappointments, and failure in life. These should be taken as a part of life. One should utilize child's energy in positive activities like sports, music, reading, yoga, and other extracurricular activities. Now, next measure is seeking help from parents and peers. Whenever there is any problem, one should seek help and guidance from parents and peers. Help should be always taken from close and trusted friends. This would help the young to share their feelings of anxiety and inner thoughts. Next measure, looking for danger signs. If friends find someone using drugs or alcohol, they should immediately bring this to the notes of parents or teachers so that appropriate measures are taken to diagnose the illness and the causes. This would help in taking proper remedial steps or treatment. Next measure is seeking professional and medical help in case of drug and alcohol abuse. There are qualified psychologists, psychiatrists, as well as there are de-addiction and rehabilitation programs which can help individuals who are suffering from drug or alcohol abuse. If such help is provided to the affected persons and with sufficient efforts and willpower, the patient can be completely cured, thereby leading a normal and healthy life. So, this was about the measures that would be taken in case of drug or alcohol abuse. With this topic or this chapter comes to an end. Inshallah, we will just take up the next chapter in our next offline class. Thanks.